Mm-hmm. Oh, YouTube, what's going on? We're out in the garden, and I have my little helper. I'm doing some training. Got the little monster jumped up into the garden bed. I wish I would have had you on camera doing that. I could have showed you later saying bad dog. Yeah, so that's our little garden dog, I guess. Right? I guess we garden dog. So.
He loves carrots.
Oh, he does?
He loves carrots. He can wait to.
Nah, he gotta wait. You gotta wait, homeboy, till the carrots come up. So, what's the Portuguese word for carrots?
Cenoura.
Cenoura?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're planting some cenoura.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't have the accent down, but I think she said cenoura.
Cenoura. Look at that. So tiny, tiny.
Yes, yes.
Oh, so gorgeous.
Okay, so that's gonna be our carrots probably in a couple of months. What I did is I planted a whole bunch of seeds because they're small. I just threw them in a pot, and I usually wait till they get about this size. Once they're this size, they're easier to handle, and I transplant them into the garden. And what we're doing with this garden bed is just doing mixed planting. Since carrots go straight down, we don't necessarily have to do rows. We could plant them in between here. So carrots can go just like onions. See, here's an onion.
Uh-huh.
So technically you could just plant them. They don't take up too much space. So over here, I've been moving lettuce, and they're looking real pitiful, you know, because they're a few seconds outside the pot. He right here. Yeah, he's standing guard at the water pump. So usually what happens is after a while you water them, they pick back up. Same happened over here with the red mustard greens that I did the other day. They were all laid out like sleep, like drunk, and watered. 2 days later, they pick back up. So I'm hoping the same thing will happen to these right here. So that's where we are right now. And with the lettuce, I didn't want to bunch them up anymore because we were picking from here and here. And then sometimes it gets a little difficult. And they usually don't get their size when they're all bunched up like that. So this is the Butter Crunch. And this is the... Oh, this is spinach. I thought it was lettuce. Okay. So this is my spinach. Okay. Good to know. I might keep them in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep the spinach in here. More mustard greens growing up here. See how much water I got the other day. Not too bad. This tank was completely empty. 303. Hey. Don't bark at me. Go get them squirrels, homeboy. Or get the groundhog. Up there mouthing off. Go mouth off to me. I feed you. Yeah. Okay. It is nice to have some help in the garden. Raised beds, in my opinion, they need to be a little bit higher. You know, beggars can't be choosy, but hey, if there was a little bit more higher, that'd be cool. Got my boy out here sunning, and there's no sun. That's it? You done? You just gonna roll? You gonna turn your back on me? Okay. He turned his back on me. He wants to jump up there and get some carrots. Yeah, the dog's not understanding English right now. So, uh, so yeah, we got to get him trained on getting that groundhog. Go 101. Ah, so much to do, so much to do. I can't put everything ground level because of the groundhog, unfortunately. But once we put the gate around here, I could take all that stuff and put it here. Um, I don't think the groundhog mess with peas, but it definitely goes after my beans. And what else does it eat? Beans, carrot tops, kale, collard greens. So, but I don't think it eats red mustard greens, probably because of the spiciness. But yeah, we got to do something about that. Beautiful day. Today is the 30th of May. One more month. I mean, one more day, and this month will be over, and we'll be in June. For June, planting squash, maybe watermelon if I can find like a real fast grower. Peppers, I don't know. I might try peppers. I got this new super soil, which is like a leaf mulch, moth grow, or leaf pro. I think it's called leaf grow, leaf pro. Um, it looks like it does pretty good. Some of my stuff look like it doubled. Some of the peppers that are sitting in it actually started flowering like pretty much a week later. The others that were in pots by themselves, they didn't. This container, watermelon, cucumbers. The cucumbers are going to trellis straight up. Hopefully by the time the watermelon starts vining, I have a fence around so I could just lay it out. Over in this bed, we have peppers, red mustard greens, and a little bit of lettuce. I believe onions are in there. In this bed so far, we just have lettuce. In that bed over there, onions. What is the name of that? It starts with a K. Khol. The name escapes me at the moment, but it's white and purple, two different colors. Kohlrabi. Yes, so in that bed I had kohlrabi. I want to get 4 more beds, maybe 2 more, and then I'm done. I'm done. Still have stuff to plant over here. I want things that I know the groundhog will not go after. It is nice to have some help. Thank you.
I see.
I love it.
Now you love it.
I love having help. Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah,
Bars.
I believe it.
Yes. I think I'm gonna have to get this tree in the ground because it doesn't have enough space and it just keeps every few days the leaves, poor leaves look like, oof, they suffering. this is what we have today. So fade to black. See you on the next one.